Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have my little scooter here next to me and I've got this. This is a security folding scooter motorcycle lock. It's a lock. So we're gonna give this thing a try. This thing here works for electric bikes or any bikes. I guess it's a lock. So let's check it out. I got it because it was cool looking and stuff. And so I'll show you guys what it looks like here. So this is it. So look at this. It's just like a big whatever cylinder, but then look, you open it up here and this is the lock chain. So it opens up like this and you've got a little key spot here, and then once you get it wrapped around whatever you need, it's weird I'm doing it left-handed, but I'm right-handed. But okay, then you would stick this into here and lock it up with the key, which is right there. So see how this works. So there, now I've got it, unlocked, it popped out. So I can stick this freely inside of it and then push it in. And now it's locked, so now we have it locked. So let's show how this works. I can use it for my bike, which I have over there, but I'll show you guys on my scooter. I think this is what they are selling it for here. Let's see. Did I put the key in? I don't think I put the key in correctly. So there we go. Okay, so in order to get it out, you have to turn the key and this little thing pops out. So what I would do is I would just stick it through I have spokes. I have like the spoke things in my wheels, so I can just stick it through there. I could even stick it through the whole. That will fit all the way through the brake. It might have a disc brake, but just for this sake of this one here, I'm going to show you. I'm just sticking it through the wheel. So there, I got it through the wheel. Weird, I'm doing it totally backwards. Okay, I'm gonna do this here. I'm gonna pick it up and move it this way. Well, now it's falling over. Okay, but you get the idea. It goes through the wheel, the spoke of the wheel, and then I can wrap it up to a pole or whatever, stick the little lock in here around whatever it needs to be, and I can even take the key out now, and then once I get it in, I just push the button, and now it's locked. So now it would be locked up to whatever with a nice sturdy chain-like lock that isn't huge, and it's easy to carry. So I'll open it up here again, and I'll take it out and show you guys this one more time. If I can turn my wheel, there we go. And so you can see it's like nice metal or something here, really hard. I don't think you can really cut that very easily. So it's gonna be pretty solid, and it's definitely riveted on in each of these sections. It's not something somebody could easily unscrew. And it's got an aluminum or metal housing, and then this is just plastic shielding. So pretty cool. And then it just easily folds back up again. Oh, that even comes off like that. So you can take it apart if you need to just slide it off somehow. So very cool. So I will just roll it back up, and you can just see how cool it gets because it gets nice and small. I'll just stick it in my backpack, and then I'm always ready to go. I could probably even connect it up to something. I wonder if I could. I have to think about that to see if I can put this somewhere else to mount it to something. Probably not, but pretty cool. So I like it. So I'm gonna say thumbs up from me on this lock, and links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.